our story enters a period of profound chaos and religious fervor in England. The Commonwealth and Protectorate, the time when the country was ruled without a king, led by the stern Puritan Oliver Cromwell. This decade, roughly from 1649 to 1660, was marked by political turmoil, which ironically created the perfect storm for witch trials. With the central government and the traditional legal system often in disarray due to the Civil War, local communities and zealous Puritan magistrates were left to enforce their own strict moral codes. In the eyes of these Puritans, the devil's work was everywhere. The very chaos of the war, the beheading of the king, the upheaval of society, was seen as proof that Satan was making his final desperate assault on England. This led to a wave of local, decentralized persecution. One of the key figures of this time was the judge, John Kelyng, later Lord Chief Justice. His career shows how the local courts struggled to contain, but often ended up supporting, the hysteria. Kelyng's trials focused fiercely on the Puritan belief that witchcraft was a direct crime against the new, godly republic. The most tragic part of this era was the legal confusion. During the Protectorate, the usual stable methods of proof collapsed. When judges like Kelyng traveled the countryside, known as going on circuit, they often found themselves dealing with a case already poisoned by popular panic and the dangerous methods left behind by the notorious Matthew Hopkins. This period was characterized by mass panics. Unlike earlier eras that focused on single witches, the Commonwealth saw several large spontaneous outbursts of panic in towns like Newcastle-upon-Tyne. Weak evidence. Trials relied heavily on poor evidence, such as the supposed testimony of familiar spirits, or even the fact that a woman had a witch's mark, a practice inherited from Hopkins. Ultimately, this era stands as a somber reminder that the absence of strong, centralized, and skeptical legal authority can lead to the worst abuses. The Puritan zeal to create a godly state paradoxically resulted in a darker age of persecution. By the time the monarchy was restored in 1660, the legal system was ready for reform, setting the stage for the slow, eventual decline of the terrible witch hunt.